We all love a good low light plant, and this is a Rhaphidophora tuchosperma. But the question is, where should I put it? I'm thinking maybe on the coffee table or the side table next to the sofa, or even here right behind me in the dining room table. In order to find out, we're going to have to use a light meter. You have two choices for your light meter. You can either download the app, which the links will be in the description below, or you can buy this light meter off of Amazon. Based on research that have been done by scientists, they have discovered that plants that like low light need at least 50 foot candles to 200 foot candles. So let's go and measure the light and see which spot works best for our low light plant. So here we're getting about 25 foot candles. And if we angle it more towards the wall, you obviously expect to get less light, so it drops down to the teens. And if we point it more towards the south-facing window, we're getting about 30. So I would say that this is not an ideal location for any plant because it is under 50 foot candles. Now let's check the coffee table. So over here is the second place I'm thinking we could put it. And pointing up, we're getting about 35 foot candles, which is not enough light. But if I point it towards the window, which is south-facing, we're getting 60. And if I point it more towards the left and there's a small window over there, we're getting about 30. And over on the wall and by me, away from the light source, you're getting about 10. So that means your plant is going to get a lot, well, not a lot of light, but your plant's going to get minimum light when it's facing the window. But on the rest around the plant, you're not going to get enough light. So this is probably not the most ideal place for it. If you end up choosing a place where it's like this, where only part of the plant is getting enough light, make sure to rotate it. So let's go check out the dining room table. This is the last spot, and this spot is the closest spot to the light source. So just pointing up at the ceiling, we're already getting 66 foot candles, and pointing at the south-facing window, we're getting 250 foot candles. If we point it towards the wall, we're gonna get about 50, and then there's two little windows over there that's giving us about 60, 65. And then even if you're just pointing it at me, we're getting about 80. So there's a lot of light being reflected because also this table is reflective. But overall, the best out of the three spots, this is the best spot for the low light plant. In the next couple of videos, I will be talking about medium light and going through highlight. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe. And also for the first Sunday of the next 3 months, I will be going live to answer any plant questions you have. So the first one's going to be May 2nd, and I will be talking about lighting there. So if you have any lighting questions, please bring them. Or if you have other plant questions, I'll be happy to answer those as well. And don't worry about the time. We will schedule the live stream. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe and hit your notification bells so you get informed. Thanks for watching.